Welcome to Fluent in English. It's time to learn adverbs through listening practice. She quickly finished her homework. They always arrive on time. He spoke softly to the child. The team worked together on the project. She happily accepted the gift. He rarely goes out at night. The baby is sleeping peacefully. They will probably be late. The car moved slowly through the traffic. She sings beautifully. We often visit our grandparents. He spoke loudly during the presentation. She immediately left the room. He answered the question correctly. They usually go hiking on weekends. She ran quickly to catch the bus. The train arrived early today. They handled the situation calmly. She barely had time to eat breakfast. The sun shines brightly in the morning. He is always polite to everyone. She danced gracefully across the stage. The teacher explained the lesson clearly. They never miss a class. She frequently checks her phone. He silently opened the door. They left the party quietly. She works hard every day. He easily solved the puzzle. They spoke politely to the guests. She arrived late to the meeting. The children played happily in the park. They finished the project quickly. He barely survived the storm. She answered the question honestly. He carefully opened the fragile package. The dog barked loudly at the stranger. They rarely visit the city. He will definitely pass the exam. The stars shone brightly in the sky. She ran swiftly towards the goal. He handled the situation calmly. She eagerly waited for the results. They occasionally eat out for dinner. He gently touched the kitten. The audience clapped enthusiastically. She worked diligently on her project. He spoke to her kindly. They firmly believed in their decision. The plane landed smoothly. She often goes to the gym after work. The teacher explained the concept thoroughly. She slowly walked towards the exit. He often forgets his keys at home. She constantly checks her email. The meeting started promptly at 9 a.m. He barely passed the exam. The rain poured heavily all day. She steadily climbed the mountain. They reviewed the contract carefully. He quickly glanced at the clock. The sun set gracefully behind the hills. She often visits her grandparents. The soldiers marched bravely into battle. He impatiently waited for the train. She gently brushed her cat's fur. They eagerly listened to the speaker. He spoke firmly during the debate. The flowers bloomed vividly in spring. She rarely eats dessert after dinner. The car was parked neatly in the driveway. He boldly voiced his opinion. She seldom travels abroad. The actor performed flawlessly on stage. He occasionally visits the local library. She cooked the meal perfectly. He quietly left the house without waking anyone. She rapidly typed on her keyboard. He carefully avoided the puddle. She promptly answered the phone. They worked tirelessly on the project all night. He steadily improved his grades over time. The dog followed her owner loyally. She often reads before bed. He closed the door quietly, so no one would hear. The artist painted the landscape skillfully. He nervously waited for the test results. The waves crashed violently against the shore. She deliberately avoided eye contact. He gratefully accepted the award. They discussed the issue openly during the meeting. The machine worked efficiently. She lightly touched the fabric. The plane flew smoothly through the sky. He patiently waited for the traffic to clear. She smiled warmly at the newcomer. He reluctantly agreed to help. The flowers grew rapidly after the rain. They happily danced in the rain. He apologized sincerely for his mistake. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more English learning practice.